Hello guys, today we will learn about the method overriding. First of all, you guys have to clear about the fact that method overloading and method overriding are two totally different concepts. I'll explain the difference between these two concepts later in this video. So today we are gonna learn about the method overriding. I'm gonna create a class A here, class A. Okay, I'm gonna create a simple properties of this class. Let's say int A, some methods, public int number 1. Okay, this will return simply just a number. Return, let's say 5. Close the bracket. Again I'm gonna create a next method, public void number 2. This will print system.out.println. This will print, let's say I am a first method of class A. I am a first method of class A. Okay, sorry, this is the second method. Second. Okay, close the bracket. Close the bracket for class A. Now I'm gonna create a child class of class A using the keyword extends. Class B extends class A. Okay, now in this also I'm gonna create simply a method. Let's say public void number 3. Number 3. This will print system dot out dot println. I am a third method. I am a third method of class B. Okay, close the bracket. Close the bracket for class B. I'm gonna create a class. Let's say method overriding. Method underscore overriding. Okay. Now main method public static void main string args. In this I'm gonna create a object of class A. So capital A equals to new A. Okay. Now if I want to print I am a second method of class A, that is this output, I'm just gonna call the number 2 method using the object small a. Okay, so a dot number 2. Okay, close the brackets properly for the main method and for class method overriding. Save it using Control S. I'm gonna save it in this. Okay, method overriding, method underscore overriding. File extension will be Java source file and save. Now, where is method overriding? Here, hit CMD, enter javac method underscore overriding dot java. Hit enter. We have error, class B extend. Okay, we have one error. I'll show you. Here, I don't have to write class again. Simply just class B extends A. Okay. Again save it using Control S. Again compile the code. Remove.java and C in javac. Then hit enter. Now see, I am a second method of class A. This is our desired output. Okay. Now what will happen if I create an object of class B, that is of child class. Okay. So capital B, B equal to new B. Now again, if I have to run this method, that is number 2, I can run it using the object of this small b. Why? Because the b is the child class of class A. So all the methods and the properties of class A are inherited in the class B. So I can call the method of class A using the object of class B. So b dot number 2. Okay. Save it using Control S. Again compile the code. What will be our output? This, but 2 times. I am a second method of class A and again I am second method of class A. Okay. So you can see it 2 times. I am a second method of class A. I am second method of class A. Now see here. This method number 2 is of class A. What if I want the same method number 2 but in the class B? Okay, so I'm just gonna copy paste it. Copy. Okay, and paste it in the class B. Paste. Okay. Now, and I'm just simply gonna change. I'm a second method of class A to I'm a second method of class B. Okay. Now you can see the public is same, the return type is same, void. Also the name of the method number 2 is same. The only difference is that this method is of class A and this method is of class B. But these have same name, same return type, public same. Okay, this is called method overriding. Now if I want to see the output as I am a second method of class B, okay, this output I have to call the method using the object of the class B. Okay, and if I want to see the object as if I want to see the output as I am a second method of class A, here I have to call the method number 2 using the object of the class A. Okay, I'll show you. Now, if I again see here the number 2 method is called by the object of the class A. Okay, so the output will be I am a second method of class A, and here I have called the same method number 2 using the object of the class B here. Okay, B dot number 2. The output will be I this output I am a second method of class B. Okay, so I am saving it using control S, alt tab, again compile the code, hit enter. So you can see the two outputs are different. I am a second method of class A and I am a second method of class B. This is called the method overriding. Okay, now you guys will wonder what the method overloading is. Okay, so if I make a method same like this method in the class A itself, but with a different parameter. Okay, so I'm just copy paste it, copy, and I'm just gonna paste it in this class itself. Okay, paste, but I'm providing a parameter here. Let's say int x. So these two methods are called overloaded methods. This is method overloading. Okay, and this, what I explained before, is method overriding. I'm just commenting it here. We don't need it here. We just have to know the difference. So I'm commenting it here. So this is the difference between method overloading and method overriding. I hope you guys understood the method overriding and the difference between method overriding and method overloading. Thank you guys.